getting the infamous add to cart to fire when using the Shopify embed code. So let me tell you, it has been super tough to get as far as we've got with it. Now we're going to continue to work on it. This isn't 100% perfect as far as the cart goes, but it is 100% perfect as far as firing that pixel goes. So first of all, what we need to do is generate a regular code. So let's just pick a random product, select product. So we need to make sure we've got this set to add to cart. Choose the middle one here if you're using it on your quick sales pages. If you're using it anywhere else, feel free to use these others, but for quick sales pages we need it set on that one. Align it to the center. You can change up your your text and colors and stuff like that, but I'm just going to quickly generate this code here, and I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, and I'm going to open up this text editor here. Okay, so we can see what's going on with this code. So this is the regular embed code. Now what we've got and what we've come up with is this piece of code here. So I'll put this somewhere where you can copy it. So we're also going to add this here. These are two separate kind of lines, but I've put it in the same one. So first of all, it's this top one. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back to the add to the cart button, and then underneath this here, this line, we're going to paste that in there like that. Okay, easy as that. And then you got to scroll down here, this one here where it says Shopify buy.ui on ready here. Look for that, then look for options and product, and I'm just going to remind myself I've got a working one here. I'll just make sure I get this on the right line. Yep, so it's below product. So here, put your cursor at the end of this bracket, and then I'm just going to come back and grab this code here, this line. Oops. And we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste that one in there. Okay, so that's it. So now what we do is copy our button code. That is now our button code, and we're going to come back here. We're going to come to our quick sales page, publish pages, into our editor. We're going to place our button code in here. Oops, what happened there? Just make sure that's correct. Yep, that's all good. So we're going to save our page. Okay, and then review our page now. So now what's going to happen, you see we've got the add to cart button. So this is set up for add to cart. So usually what happens is when you hit this button, when you're using the embed code, this super annoying cart window pops open from the side and nothing changes on the page, and you can't get the add to cart to fire because it's all happening within the same window. Now honestly, we've had hell trying to get this to work, and it's really out of our hands because when you embed this Shopify button, it's in an iframe. There's no actual button to click, with as far as the code's concerned. So it's virtually impossible because Shopify is in control of that. So Shopify could rectify this pretty simply. But what's going to happen now, if we look up here, we can see we've got add to cart there, so it's picking up the button but it's not firing. It's saying there's a problem, okay, which is good because our add to cart event action is within this button. It's seeing it but it's not firing. That's all good. So what's going to happen now, we're going to hit this add to cart button, but instead of that stupid side window coming in, we're going direct to checkout now. So I know this isn't 100% because it's not the actual cart. We're carrying on working on it. As soon as we crack it, we will let you know. But for now, effectively what that code has done is it's put it in the cart and then it's bypassed the cart and taken us straight to the checkout. So we've gone into the cart in the background, and now we've gone to the checkout, and now we have our add to cart fire, which is fired, which we'll look at in Facebook in a minute. So effectively somebody has added to the cart, although I know it's not 100% perfect. In their mind, they've chosen their product and they've added it to the cart. So if you are tracking adding to carts and you're building your ad strategy and your ad campaigns based around add to carts, then effectively they have added it to the cart, although they've gone directly to the checkout. So really, we've worked tirelessly on this for 8 days, day and night. We've had a lot of people, a lot of programmers, a lot of experts working on this. We've scoured the net. It's a real, a real pain for us and a pain for a lot of other people as well. And at this moment, this is the best we can come up with. So let's go and take a look back in our pixel. You can see since I made the last video, nothing's happened. We've got no add to cart fires. So this is a fresh pixel on a fresh store. And with a bit of luck, our add to cart will come through. It hasn't come through just yet. So what I shall do is I'll just pause up the video again and I'll wait for that data to come through so you can see that that's fired and it's all working properly. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, so it's been 13 minutes and that data has just come through. Add to cart, there it is, although it says last minute. It's just coming through in the last minute. Here's our add to cart. So we now have our add to cart fired and firing good, and everything is working a-okay. So once I get an update on getting that cart to open up in full screen, I will let you know. But for now, this is how you can track your add to carts. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.